All right, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Tuesday, February 27, 2024, and today was a prime example of being rewarded when you have a game plan and you execute it. Trading is 90% psychology, and today was just one of those days where if you had patience, it paid off big. So let me get into this breakdown. So we have pre-market. This is a 5-minute chart. We have the support zone that turns into a demand imbalance when you have this big buyer that pushes up the market. And the next time we approach this area was a little after market open. It offered from 76 to 85, about a 9-point scalp. And the reason I don't have this as number one is because I only mark plays out that are 10 points or more. This play, if you caught it exactly at 75, you could have caught 10 points. But there was really no reason to get in below this demand zone. I didn't expect it to break below. So we break below it, and it offered a good scalp, so you could have caught at least 5 points. This was a good entry. And then after that, the next couple of hours, it really looked exactly like yesterday. Yesterday, we kind of just chopped around. We really couldn't get over the 30-day moving average. And every time we approached that area in VWAP, we just failed. So for the first half of today, that's exactly what happened. We kind of formed this left shoulder here, formed another hump right here. And so a few of us actually took a short right in this 78 to 80 area under VWAP. And I had a really tight stop. I figured that if we get a close above VWAP, then my analysis was incorrect. But yeah, we get the short right here out the rejection of this 30 moving average, and it was a quick 10 points, maybe in about 30 minutes. But that was really just into this play, which was the actual play of the day. This one I was game planning since Saturday. I knew that this was going to be a very important level. And even today, I called out the chat. I was like, this is going to be the play of the day. And so this was a long here at 67, which was the previous all-time high. So if I scroll back some, you can see on Thursday of last week, we broke the all-time high and formed a new top at about 67.75. And we got rejected there. We broke through it again, and then the next time we approached it, it acted as support. So you can see right here, we got some closes above it. These two wicks get a close above the support level. So I knew that if we got back here, it was going to be a high probability that there was still buyers present right here at these previous all-time highs. And that's exactly what happened. I had a really nasty entry at 67.5. So I basically caught the bottom. And I was targeting this supply zone. I really wanted us to go back to 5,100. But it just didn't have the strong reaction that I wanted it to. I wanted to see a really sharp spike to the upside, but we kind of hung around. We were making higher highs and higher lows, but it just didn't move up as fast as I wanted to. So I scaled out some of my position around 10 points here, and then the remainder of my position over here for about a 15-point move. And then we ended up getting that 20-point move to the upside. So I could have held it a little bit longer, but I just was still a bit shaky because of how weak today started and how yesterday was. But that was pretty much it. This play right here, this was one of those plays where it was just solid. This is probably going to end up being the play of the week. So I hope many of y'all took it. And yeah, I hope you had a solid day like myself. But that pretty much wraps up today. We'll see if we get a pullback into probably this area down here. We had some buying over here and then again right here. So we'll see if we pull back into this area. You see we have a new pivot point right here at 50.73. So that's going to be probably my target for tomorrow. But excuse me, we'll see how it plays out. It pretty much wraps up today. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. I love you.